Picture this common scenario for many over 50. Nails that are dull, peeling at the edges, easily broken, and perhaps marked with vertical ridges. Now envision an alternative. Nails that are smooth, strong, retain moisture, and have a healthy natural sheen, regardless of your age. The difference between these two pictures could very well be determined by what's on your grocery list and what's missing from it. We'll show you 4 food types that often lead to the first weaker nail scenario, and then reveal 4 fantastic food choices that can help you achieve the second, healthier vision for your nails. Ever wonder if your favorite treat or snack could be the hidden reason your nails are becoming weaker? We'll start by uncovering the first 2 types of foods that might be silently damaging your nail health. Many common foods, particularly those high in refined sugars, are often overlooked as culprits for poor nail health. These include pastries, candies, and sugary drinks like sodas or sweetened teas and coffees, which many consume daily. While sugar is often associated with weight gain or energy crashes, it also creates an internal environment that can hinder strong, healthy nail growth. So how exactly does this sweet indulgence lead to brittle, weak, or ridged nails? When you consume a lot of sugar, 2 main processes occur in your body that can negatively affect your nails: inflammation and glycation. High sugar intake triggers chronic low-grade inflammation throughout your body, which extends to the nail matrix, the area at the base of your nail where new cells are created. Inflammation here disrupts cell production, leading to irregularities like ridges, thinness, or changes in nail shape. Imagine the nail matrix as a construction site. Inflammation acts like faulty machinery, creating weak and unstable structures. The second process, glycation, occurs when excess sugar molecules bind to proteins, forming harmful molecules called advanced glycation end products, AGEs. These affect collagen and keratin, 2 key proteins for nail health. Collagen provides strength and structure to the nail bed, while keratin forms the tough, protective layer of the nail itself. Glycation damages these proteins, making them stiff, brittle, and less effective. This results in nails that are prone to splitting and slow to grow. Picture healthy collagen and keratin as elastic, strong fibers, while glycated proteins resemble dry, brittle twigs. To visualize this, imagine a graphic showing a healthy nail matrix with plump cells and robust proteins, contrasted with one damaged by inflammation and glycation. With sugar setting the stage for internal disruption, processed foods add another layer of complexity. These items, found in many supermarket aisles, often contain additives, unhealthy fats, and high sodium levels that can systematically undermine nail health. Artificial additives and preservatives, while extending shelf life, strain the body's detoxification systems, diverting resources away from growth and repair, including nail formation. Unhealthy fats like trans fats and excessive omega-6 fatty acids can promote inflammation, compounding the damage caused by sugar. High sodium content, common in processed snacks, contributes to dehydration, leaving nails dry, brittle, and prone to cracking. Processed foods also interfere with nutrient absorption, depleting your body of vitamins and minerals essential for keratin synthesis. This metabolic stress further weakens the nail matrix. By understanding how sugar and processed foods disrupt your body's ability to produce strong, resilient nails, you can make more informed choices. But these aren't the only dietary factors affecting nail health. Beyond sugars and processed items, could a daily habit or even certain healthy-sounding choices be contributing to nail issues? Let's look at 2 more food categories and then pivot to how we can start rebuilding from the inside out. The third category of potentially problematic items involves beverages that are excessively acidic or dehydrating. Have you ever wondered if your cherished morning latte is slowly eroding the strength of your nails? While your coffee routine may feel like a comforting start to the day, excessive consumption could be subtly leaching essential minerals needed for nail integrity. Similarly, heavy intake of acidic drinks like sodas, which often contain phosphoric acid, might disrupt your body's natural pH balance. Over time, to neutralize this acidity, your body may draw on alkaline mineral reserves, including calcium, a key component for nail hardness. Imagine it like a bank account. If you keep withdrawing funds, minerals, without replenishing, eventually you'll run out of resources. In addition, caffeinated drinks such as coffee, tea, and certain sodas act as diuretics, causing your body to lose water through increased urination. Chronic, even mild dehydration affects all cells, including those responsible for nail growth. Dry cells lead to brittle nails that are prone to splitting and cracking. Excessive caffeine can also interfere with nutrient absorption, particularly calcium, further compounding the issue. Recognizing that an overindulgence in these beverages might contribute to nail problems by depleting minerals and hydration is an important step toward healthier habits. Now let's shift to the fourth harmful pattern: diets chronically low in key nail-building nutrients. This isn't about an occasional indulgence in less nutritious foods, but rather a consistent lack of essential components your nails need to grow strong and healthy. Without sufficient protein, B vitamins like biotin, or minerals such as iron and zinc, your body lacks the raw materials to efficiently produce strong keratin, the structural protein that forms your nails. Over time, this deficiency can result in thin, weak nails, slower growth, and visible signs like vertical ridges, white spots, or a dull, unhealthy appearance. When these two factors, acidic, dehydrating beverages, and nutrient-poor diets, combine, the cumulative impact on your nails can be significant. But here's the good news: dietary changes can lead to noticeable improvements. One of the most impactful steps is increasing your intake of protein-rich foods. Protein is the foundation of keratin, the fibrous structural protein that gives nails their strength and resilience. By consuming adequate protein, you provide your body with the amino acids needed to build and repair keratin, directly supporting nail strength and thickness. So how can you incorporate more protein into your meals? It's simpler than you think. Start your day with eggs or Greek yogurt topped with nuts and seeds. For lunch, add grilled chicken, fish, or beans to your salad, or choose a sandwich with lean meats or hummus. At dinner, focus on lean proteins like fish, poultry, or plant-based options such as tofu or lentils. Even snacks can help. Try almonds, cheese, or a hard-boiled egg. By making these small, consistent changes, you'll supply your body with the nutrients it needs to support healthier, stronger nails. We've seen what can weaken nails, and we've touched on the power of protein. Now let's explore 3 more food groups packed with the specific nutrients your nails crave for strength and vitality. The second key beneficial category for your nails includes foods rich in biotin. Many people have heard about biotin for promoting hair growth, but what is its specific role when it comes to the health and appearance of your fingernails and toenails? It turns out biotin is just as important for them. Biotin, also known as vitamin B7, is well researched for its role in improving nail health. Studies have shown that biotin can increase nail thickness and reduce brittleness. It achieves this by supporting the keratin infrastructure of your nails. Keratin, as we know, is the primary protein that makes up your nails. Biotin acts as an essential helper or coenzyme in the body for several metabolic processes, including the synthesis of fatty acids and amino acids, which are the building blocks of proteins like keratin. Stronger keratin production means stronger, more resilient nails that are less likely to split or break. Good food sources of biotin include cooked eggs, especially the yolks, almonds, walnuts, sweet potatoes, and avocados. You can easily boost your biotin intake with simple additions. For example, add a handful of almonds or walnuts to your morning oatmeal or yogurt, or enjoy a sliced avocado with your eggs at breakfast. Sweet potatoes can be a delicious side dish for dinner. Next, let's introduce mineral-packed foods as the third beneficial category. These are foods naturally high in the specific minerals your body uses to build and maintain strong nails. Examples include dark leafy greens like spinach or kale, which are good for iron and calcium. Nuts and seeds, particularly pumpkin seeds, are excellent sources of zinc and magnesium. Lentils and other legumes are also great for boosting your iron intake. We often hear that minerals in general are important for health, but which specific ones are the real powerhouses for our nails? And how do these minerals work together or individually to prevent common nail problems such as splitting, peeling, or those troublesome vertical ridges? Let's look at some key minerals more closely. Iron is crucial for preventing brittle nails and a condition called koilonychia, where nails become spoon-shaped. Iron helps carry oxygen to all your cells, including the rapidly dividing cells in your nail matrix. Without enough oxygen, nail growth can be impaired. Zinc is another vital mineral, essential for nail growth and the division of nail cells. A deficiency in zinc can lead to slow nail growth, white spots on the nails, leukonychia, and even affect the skin around the nails, leading to hangnails. Zinc plays a direct role in the synthesis of keratin. Magnesium is important because it aids in protein synthesis within the body. This includes the synthesis of keratin, the main structural protein for your nails. Adequate magnesium supports the formation of new nail material. Calcium also contributes to the hardness and strength of nails. although it's part of a larger picture of mineral balance. The fourth beneficial category for your nails includes foods rich in healthy fats and antioxidants. For healthy fats, think of fatty fish like salmon, which is packed with omega-3 fatty acids. Flax seeds and chia seeds are also excellent plant-based sources of omega-3s. For antioxidants, you want to look for colorful fruits and vegetables, such as berries, citrus fruits, carrots, and bell peppers. These foods provide a wide array of antioxidants that protect your nail cells. How do these components work? Omega-3 fatty acids are incredibly important for maintaining nail hydration and flexibility from the inside out. They help to lubricate and moisturize your nails, preventing them from becoming too dry and brittle. Omega-3s also have anti-inflammatory properties, which can benefit the health of your nail bed and the surrounding skin, promoting a healthier environment for nail growth. Antioxidants, such as vitamin C found in citrus and berries, and vitamin E, found in nuts and seeds, work by protecting your nail cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can harm cells and contribute to aging, including the tissues that make up your nails. By neutralizing these free radicals, antioxidants help maintain the integrity of nail cells, promote a healthy sheen, and can even help prevent discoloration or weakness. So, the key understanding here is that specific nutrients work in targeted ways. Biotin directly contributes to thickening nails and reducing brittleness by supporting keratin. A spectrum of minerals, including iron and zinc, ensures your body has the raw materials for robust nail growth and proper structure, preventing issues like ridges or weakness. Then, healthy fats like omega-3s and a variety of antioxidants protect these newly formed nail cells, like keeping them hydrated, strong, and promoting a healthy appearance. You can empower yourself by making simple food swaps. For instance, instead of a sugary cereal for breakfast, try oatmeal with berries and almonds. Swap out a bag of chips for a handful of pumpkin seeds as a snack. Choose salmon for dinner a couple of times a week instead of less nutrient-dense protein options. These small changes can effectively incorporate these nail-loving nutrients into your daily routine, leading to visibly healthier nails over time. The path to stronger, healthier nails after 50 begins with mindful dietary swaps. Replacing foods high in refined sugar with nutrient-dense options like protein-rich meals and biotin sources directly impacts your overall health and nourishment. Imagine a week where every bite brings you closer to feeling rejuvenated inside and out, a transformation starting from within. Remember, small dietary changes can make a big difference, so start incorporating more nourishing foods today and watch your nails become stronger, healthier, and more beautiful with time. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or share your favorite nail-boosting foods. Thanks again for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy and keep shining.